Hello, I'm Miss Megan from Cooper-Siegel Community Library, and this is DIY STEAM. This week we are going to take a leftover CD or DVD from the library and turn it into a way that we can see the different colors that make up light. Let's find out how to do it.
Okay, this is what you have in your kit. You have an old library CD or DVD, a paper tube that has your viewing hole in it already, and also the big arching slit for your CD, a piece of black paper. Go and track down a pair of scissors, a pencil, and some tape. Masking tape or painter's tape is going to work best this week, but you can probably make any tape work. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your black piece of paper and your paper tube and just use your pencil to make a circle the size of your paper tube. And then you're going to cut that out. And then you're going to fold it in half so that you can make a tiny slit. So you are going to make a slit in the middle here, make it kind of tiny, and then push it up like that and then cut it off there. And that should get you the slit that is going to allow the light into your spectroscope. So you're going to take that. This is where you're going to view. So this is the top that you're going to want to cover with your black circle. You can add your tape whichever way you think is going to work best. I tend to, when I'm doing a circle like this, to tape down 4 different sides like that. And then add another piece of tape around the edge to sort of hold everything down. It does not need to look particularly pretty. You are going to want to probably pay some attention to how much light is going around the edges here. I'm going to put another piece around to try to limit the amount of light that's getting through. I gave you a big enough piece of black paper that if you want to test out different size slits to see how it changes your spectroscope, you can definitely do that. Okay, so that gives us the hole that the light's going to come in. And now you are going to take the CD and put the shiny side through the slit like this. And then that's the part that you're going to view through.
Now that you have your spectroscope, it's time to test it out. You are going to look through the peephole here. So put your eye up to it, and you should see some different colors of light. If you're not seeing them, try moving your spectroscope up a little bit, especially if you're seeing your own eyeball reflected on the CD. Test it out with different types of light. Indoor light will look a little bit different than sunlight, and you might try a flashlight or some other types of light as well. Remember that you should always be looking through this peephole. And please remember to never look directly at the sun, and probably not at any other lights either, because they could damage your eyes. I hope you have fun with this. If you're enjoying this project, you may want to check out the book A Ray of Light, a book of science and wonder by Walter Wick. You probably already know Walter Wick because he co-created the I Spy series. And in this book, he does a great job of photographing and talking about all sorts of things that have to do with light. I hope you have fun with this project. Take care.